Yeah, so hi guys, it's M-Wait out here. So welcome to the video 3. So guys, just to let you know, if ever you are not watching the video 1, so or the video 2, so all you gotta do is just go back, watch the video 1 and the video 2. By this way, in the video 3, you will understand what we do. So into the video 3, so we're gonna talk about how we're gonna rank our website on the first page of Google. Like I was telling you into the video, the second video, that into the most keyword our website is not showing on the first page of Google. So I have just make a test yesterday, just to show you before we beginning the process. Let me show you the an example. So this keyword, best NYC digital marketing and web design companies in Manhasset, USA. In the beginning, when I was ranking this keyword with our video on the first page, in the first time, our website is not showing, it's not showing on the first page, on the second, on the third page too. And by the way, I have made some I have made some work on it. By this way, right now, if we click on this keyword that you see, best NYC digital marketing and web design companies in Manhasset, USA, you will see our website is popping up. You will see our video is popping first on the first page. And right now, after you see our website, is coming, to try and sit down on the first page. So I'm gonna show you that. So this is the Google tree pack. And the video is coming right after the Google tree pack. The video is coming right after. And our website, is coming right next to our video. If you watch the second video training into the SEO training, when I was showing you how I rank these 10 long tail keywords, you would see into the video that the website is not showing into this tunnel. So it means I have created an content, an content for this keyword that you see, best NYC digital marketing and web design companies in Manhasset, USA. I have created an content, and content into the blog. By the way, the content is very optimized, the way Google gonna love it. And into the next keyword that I'm gonna ranking, you're gonna see it, everything from A to Z. So God, do not forget that, if you are watching my video, so it's that it doesn't mean that you're gonna do like I do. Like I was telling you, we know what we do, because SEO, search engine optimization, is our one thing. It's our one thing. So God, what am I gonna do now is I'm gonna show you the content, that are put, for this keyword that you see here. By the way, that's the reason why you see the website is popping. You see. So you can come after, if you want. You can come into our blog, manhasset.nyc/blog, to read all this content. So right now, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go into Google. I got my channel ready. The channel is here. But now we're not gonna talk about the channel right now. I'm gonna ending by the channel at the finish. So in the first beginning, what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna show you that my content is ready. Guys, just to let you know that this content that you see here, this content that you see here, let me this content that you see here, one content, two, this content that you see here, I have made some like 3 days, 3 days, to to write this kind of content, you know. By the way, you know, Google gonna love it, you know. And at the same time, I got my images, you know, my images optimized it by the way that Google will love it, you know. I have optimized all these images, you know, and upload it into our website, you know. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna connect into our Gmail, you know, into our Gmail, just to show you how we're gonna rank, you know, this keyword that you see here. And at the same time, I got my website who is open right now, manhasset.nyc, you know. So it means we're gonna create some posts, you know. We're gonna create some posts one by one. You're gonna see what I do from A to Z, you know. I'm not gonna cut it the video, you know. I'm gonna let it the video, you know. You watch me by this way, you know. You can see what I do, you know, what I do. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go into our content, you know, our content. The first keyword is web design company and SEO digital marketing agency around New York, you know. So I'm gonna copy it, you know. So I'm gonna copy the text. Gonna copy the text. Gonna copy. I need to make some change first. Tuck. Guys, just to let you know that into this video I'm not gonna talk a lot, you know, because I do the work, you know. I do the work, and we're gonna find our images, you know. Don't know which one. This one. So our images is ready. So guys, do not forget that this image that you see here, you know, so it means I cut it, you know, the perfect, you know, the perfect size, you know. I use the perfect size. And right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a look at our YouTube channel, and I'm gonna copy the video. I'm gonna copy the video embed code, you know, and embed it into our website, you know. Gonna show you. Which one is yeah, this is a good one. This is a good one. So I'm gonna embed it, you know. I'm gonna embed it. I'm gonna copy tag. I'm gonna embed the video, you know. I'm gonna embed it into our post, you know. I'm gonna put it here. I'll come into the visual. I gotta see the video. Okay, the video is here. Okay, it's good. Okay, so now I'm gonna modify, you know, I'm gonna modify the size of the video by this way. By this way, you know, the video will take all the page. What is a web design? So I put it into web design. categories. Okay, so I'm gonna put some tag, I'm gonna put some tag into the tag section here. I'm gonna put it here. So right now I'm putting some tag, putting some tag. Put some tag. But let me show you a stuff, So the way I do the tag right now, it is manual doing, So if I want, I can show you some like 100 tag, to use some like that, So let me show you. Web design, for example. You're gonna see it. You see? You see got all their stack, You see all their stack. So I'm not gonna use none of their stack, I'm just gonna use 1, 2, 3 of these, And what else? What we're gonna do now is we're gonna publish our post, We're gonna publish it. So the post is here. The post is here right now. The post is here right now. You see? The post is here. So I need to modify, the size of the I need to modify the size of the video. I need to modify the size of the video before I go declare the website to Google, Yes. Yeah, that's the reason why. Okay, I think everything is clean right now, so I publish it. So now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go into the Google Search Console, just to declare, this post that you see here to Google. If you wanna see, just to let you know that if you go into the search engine optimization of Google, we put our keyword web design company and SEO digital marketing agency around Queens NY, you will see our video. Let me show you that. But you will see it, So step by step, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna declare, the post, to Google, So to do that, so let's submit it to Google. So fetch and render. Sometimes it can take time, but it's gonna make some like 1 minute, some like that, Sometimes it make 10 seconds, some like that, So guys, this is this kind of stuff that you see here, you need to do this, into your business. So it means if you make a post, so all you gotta do after finishing your post is to come into the search console, and by this way you can index, fast, your post, you can index it fast, So gonna ping it, So let me click on it just to see. So let me refresh the page. You will see that, you know, it's still in pending, you know, but you see request indexing. So I'm gonna call all the link, you know, inside the post, you know, go. Okay, so I ping it again. Okay, so it means we just submit our post, you know, to Google, you know. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go into the second one. We're gonna go into the second keyword: web design company and SEO marketing agency around New York. No, it's not this one. I think this one I have make a double. I have double the content. So we're gonna take this one: best reputation management agency, Manhasset NYC, Glendale NYC, Queens NY, New York, United States. You know. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new post. You know, we're gonna create a new post. So this is the title of our post. You know, and I got the content. I got the content ready to. So I'm gonna cut it here. Just to make some change. Just wanna make some change first, you know, just to look it nice, the post, you know. Okay, so images, what is the keyword again? Best reputation management. Okay, images, select an images. No, it's not this one, it's not this one, it's not this one, it's not this one, it's this one. Okay, what else, what else? I'm gonna take the embed code of the video and put it inside, you know. So I'm gonna embed, you know, the video inside the post, you know. By the way, the video that you see here, it's gonna boost the website, you know. It's gonna boost the website to come ranking. Okay, I'm gonna embed it here to the beginning. So in the middle, I'm gonna upload it here, embed it here, and change the size. I just wanna double it. Double it, and what else? I think everything is okay now. Okay, everything is okay, everything is clean, you know. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna publish the post, you know, before I submit it to Google, you know. So I'm gonna submit it to Google. God, remember, if ever you make a new post, if ever you not submitted that post to Google, so Google gonna not indexing your post, and at the same time make sure that before you send your link to Google to index your post, make sure that you declare first your website, you declare first your website to Google. By this way, you can submit your post quickly, the link that you wanna submit to Google, you can do it quickly. So let me make pink site, okay, pink sitemap, and come back here, and I'm gonna refresh it. Just to see. Okay, request indexing. Crawl it. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's done. So now we're gonna do now is we're gonna go into the next one, seem like there is a mistake here. The next keyword is global digital marketing, web design, SEO, and reputation agency, Manhasset NYC. So I gotta create a new post first, gotta create a new post, add new one. Okay, so let me take the content is here. Copy tag, and I'm gonna cut it here, I'm gonna rearrange the text, let me see the images, what is the keyword, the name of the keyword again, what is the name of the keyword again? Global digital marketing. Okay, it's not this one, it's global, yeah, it's this one. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, what else? So I'm gonna go into the channel. Copy the embed code of the video. The video is here, so I'm gonna click here and share it. Copy. Okay, so gotta make sure that if you wanna do this kind of stuff, if you wanna embed your video into your post, make sure to come into the text mode, make sure to come into the text mode, because if you come into the visual mode, it's not gonna work. I'm telling you that. What else? Everything is okay now. So I'm gonna make a tag, I'm gonna make some tag. So let me copy this global digital marketing, God, do not worry, if I forget to make some tag in some post, do not worry, I'm gonna do it later, So if I gotta search some tag, from so if I gotta search some tag, so manually it's gonna take me time, and by the way, with my search keyword, I only put the keyword here, and he gonna find a lot of keywords, just like you see here, 73 keywords, in one click, So I'm gonna just, I'm gonna just choose some best keywords, not all, just some, you know, and I'm gonna add it, gonna add it into the global marketing atom. Okay, I'm gonna publish it. By the way, you will see that tag, that I just added. They will be automatically, into the post, And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna submit, the URL, that you see here into Google, So let me shut down this page first. So I'm gonna fetch first, I'm gonna fetch the post, I'm gonna let the robo bot of Google, fetch it, and once he fetch it, after, I'm gonna ping the site, ping it before I submit it, to Google, Let me refresh this page first, just to show you. Yeah, it's still pending. Still pending. Okay, request indexing. I'm not a robot. I'm a human. And close that URL, and everything is gone. Sometimes the Google robot. Sometimes it can make you waste a lot of time. Yeah, I'm not a robot. Do not worry about it. I'm not a robot. Okay, it means this one is done. Ping it again. Okay, and what else? Let's go into our next keyword. Next keyword is best digital marketing company near Grand Neck, NY. So let's create a new post. We need to create a new post first. So the title of the post, I don't want emoji. Title of the post. Okay, I need to copy the content, the text. Come into text mode, text mode first. Right now I need to rearrange, the text, sometimes the stuff that you see here, sometimes it can take time, to do this, just to make the design more clean, the post more clean. The name, best digital marketing agency company near Great Neck, NYC. So let me search for our images. I don't know. Not this one. Not this one. New York. Not this one. Queens, New York. Not this one. It's this one. Okay, right now I just uploaded, our image that we just choose, Not choosing the image or not. Okay, the image is here. Okay. The image is not coming yet, so let me change the let me change let me make a change, you know. You're gonna see edit images. I'm gonna change these images, you know. I'm gonna change the name of the images. I'm gonna change it. Okay, so let's take this one just to see. Okay, guys, we're not gonna waste our time into this one, you know, these images, you know. So I will make an image, you know. After I will make an image, something like that, you know. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna publish the page, you know. We're gonna publish it. So it seems like I got an internet problem connection, you know. So let me make a pause and I come back, you know, just to solve it, you know. So guys, I'm back. So my internet connection was bugging, you know. It was bugging. So it means right now I'm still connected, you know, and at the same time I'm not using a high internet debit, you know, of internet, you know. So I'm using a Wi-Fi right now. So it means sometime, you know, the connection can go and come back, something like that, you know. But no matter what, I'm gonna do it fast, you know. So the images is finally here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna submit our website, our post, you know, to Google, you know. We're gonna submit it to Google. Don't let me see. It seem like I have make a mistake, something like that, you know. But I'm gonna fix it. Yeah, the mistake is here. I'm gonna fix it. So I'm gonna close this page and reopen a new one. Okay. Right now it's done. Submit it to Google. So fetch and render. Fetch and render. So guys, do not forget that, you know, if you wanna do the Google Search Console, so all you gotta do is just go into the Facebook of Mananbi. By this way, you will see a training, you know, made by Moz. You know, you will understand, by the way, how to rank your website and how to stay on the first page of Google, you know, easily, you know. A lot of website Google, they will never hit the first page, you know, because Google, they don't know them. Google, they don't know them. Google, they don't know them. So let me refresh the page. Okay, so I'm gonna index the page. So I'm not a robot, I'm just a human, you know, who can make a mistake sometime, but who know how to fix his mistake too. So sometimes the Google capture can make you lose a lot of time, you know. Okay, right now it's done. Submit ping. Done. Okay, let's take a look at the last one. The last one is Best NY, Best Web Development Company and SEO Audit Agency in New York, Manhasset, NYC. So let's create a new post, you know. So we're gonna do it quick, you know. So the title of the post. So the content is here. Copy. Come into text mode. After, you can take your time, to come into the website, just to see the post. So do not hesitate it, to block with us, do not hesitate it to block with us if you know what we're talking about into this post. You're gonna put some tag. So I'm just gonna choose some tag. I'm not gonna choose this 100, I'm only gonna choose some tag, and add tag. Okay, so we need to choose our images first, and what is the name? Best Development Company SEO. Okay. Okay, it is one, I think so. So it is one. Okay, so right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna submit it, to Google, we're gonna submit it to Google. Now let me embed the video first. Let me embed the video first. Not this one. Let me take this one just to see. No, it's not this one. So it's the first one, it's this one. It's this one. So I'm gonna embed the video into the post. So guys, like I used to say, if ever I forget to embed a video into a post, do not forget, do not worry about that, because I'm gonna come back later, I'm gonna come back just to see if I have made some mistake or not, just to fix my mistake, we are human. Sometimes mistake can happen. Sometimes mistake, it can happen. What else? Okay, everything is clean here. Okay, I'm gonna publish it. Okay, right now we're gonna so let me put it into one category, digital marketing, first, and submit it into Google. Update it and submit it to Google. God, remember, like I used to say, if ever I forget something, do not worry about that, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna combat at it, just to solve the problem there are forget, something like that, And my phone is ringing. So we're gonna fetch the post, and render the post, and after we're gonna submit the link, index the link to Google. got into a next video. So I will do a training, into a separate into I will do a next video training, strictly for Search Console, for those who are interested. I will show you that, I will show you that. Request indexing, crawl only, and go. Okay, right now it seems like everything is okay. Okay, right now everything is okay. So it means I'm gonna disconnect, from my website, I'm gonna disconnect from my website. Okay, I just disconnect before we go into the YouTube channel, just to add this link, So let me disconnect to my channel, and we're gonna connect into our channel, in our channel YouTube. By this way we're gonna add this post, into this video, who are ranking on the first page of Google. So why I do that, because this video, they are on the first page of Google, so it means the video, they're gonna boost, my website, to come on the first page, without no backlink. I'm gonna show you that. And if ever the post is not ranking, so do not worry, I will do some SEO techniques, about that. By this way it will be on the first page. If I send some backlink, I know for a fact, the video gonna rank on the first page. So right now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go into our channel, that you see here. We're gonna go into the channel just to add this link, that you see into the blog of Manhasset NYC. So I need to find the channel first, just connect to my email addresses. Okay, so right now we are in YouTube. Okay, let me change channel. So I need to search first for my channel. So guys, I'm gonna make a pause, and come back, because I don't want to show all my channel. I make a pause and come back. So okay guys, I'm back. So like I used to say, so I don't want to show all my channel. I don't want to show all my channel. We are focused into this channel that we call SEO tutorial. So right now we are into the channel. So what am I gonna do now is I'm gonna add, I'm gonna add the link, best web development company and SEO audit agency in New York, Manhasset, NYC. So we are into our blog, best web development company and SEO audit agency in New York, Manhasset, NYC. I think this is a good one. Okay, this is a good one. So I'm gonna open the link, copy the link, and I'm gonna put the link here into the video description, of best web development company and SEO audit agency in New York, Manhasset, NYC. Save. So let's go into the second one. The second one is best web design company and SEO digital marketing agency around Queens NY. So let's find that blog. Let's find that text, So the link is here. So I take the link, I copy it, and I'm gonna put it into the description, you know, of the video, and save it. Okay, so now let's go into the third one, the top online reputation management company, Manhasset NYC. Let me search for the post, top online. So it seems like I have forget to make the top online, you know, but no problem, I'm gonna do it later, you know, this is not a problem. So let's take some link, you know, let's take a link, you know, and put it inside the video, and put it inside the video, put it inside the video description here. By the way, it gonna boost, you know, it gonna boost the post to come on the first page. Top online best digital marketing agency, New Great Neck. Don't see it. Best digital marketing agency company, New Great Neck. I don't see it. So I don't know, but so I'm gonna take this one, you know, and put it, you know, into the video description. Do not worry, guys. Like I used to say, if ever I forget something, I will come back later, you know. I will come back later to fix all these mistakes that I make, you know. I will do it. So the top online reputation management, Manhasset NYC, this one is done. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Okay, let's take a look at this one. What is the name? Okay. Okay, it's here. So I'll copy the link, and I'll put it, you know, into the video description, you know. Save it. I think it was one some like that, you know. Yeah, this one, global. Is here. Tag. Gonna embed it into the post. everything is done. So everything is done right now, guys. Just to let you know, that if I forget something, do not worry about that, because after the video I'm gonna work on it, just to fix some mistake that I make. Like I used to say, we are human, and we know for a fact we make mistake, and we gonna fix our mistake too, so guys, this is the video training that I make today, just to show you about the ranking, the ranking that I do, in 2K18. God, do not forget that, the content that you see here into the text, the content that you see here, they are very optimized, they are very optimized, Google love it. Google love this kind of content, so I give you some like 24 hours to 48 hours, you will see our website, begin to popping on the first page, on the first page of Google. But if ever my website is not on the first page of Google, so do not worry about that, Like I used to say, I'm an SEO guy. I know what I do, At the same time, I got so many techniques, that I use me personally, so that I use me personally. So it means for those who wanna sit down on the first page of Google, or rank your website on the first page of Google with your own keyword, so do not hesitate to get in touch, Do not hesitate to get in touch. But for those who need to sit down with some long tail keyword, with a lot of keywords, so all you gotta do is just contact me, If you don't know the keyword or the value of your keyword, just contact me and I will show you the value of keyword value. So let's talk about keyword value. Do you know our keyword value? Manhasset, let me show you. So guys, do you know the keyword value of this? Do you know the value of this keyword? Manhasset NYC Digital Marketing Agency. Do you know that? Do you know that? So if you don't know the keyword value, just tell me, I don't know the keyword value of Manhasset NYC Digital Marketing Agency. So let me show you the keyword value, the keyword value, This is the SEO ROI estimation report for Manhasset NYC. So it means if you decided, to sit down on the first page of Manhasset NYC Digital Marketing Agency, so you gotta have what it takes. You gotta have what it takes, because we see the ROI, we see it, we see it, and at the same time we know we got the data, and the data is where, the data is where, So guys, into a next video, I'm gonna show you, for every position of Google, how much the client gonna pay. I'm gonna show you that, I'm gonna show you that. And if ever you got your own keyword, that you wanna sit down there, so all you gotta do is just contact us, contact us, Manhasset NYC, by this way we can help you, to sit down on the first page of Google, or second spot, third spot. It depends on you, But like I used to say, you gotta have what it takes. You gotta have what it takes, You gotta have what it takes. So contact me and send me your keyword, your keyword, and I will send you back, your keyword value. I will send you back your keyword value, So guys, I'm stop this video right now, so into a next video, video SEO training and website ranking. I'm gonna show you about, the keyword value that you see here, the keyword value, how much everybody gonna pay, for those who wanna sit down into our keyword value, because we got a company in Manhasset, you know. So it means this is our keyword value, you know. But no matter what, our job is to help a digital marketer, you know, who got problem around the world, you know. Me personally, I see a lot of business owner, a lot of digital marketer, they they got a problem, you know. They got a problem, and me, I'm here to fix that problem, you know, to fix that problem. So it means every problem got a solution, you know. You have a problem, we got a solution. So, guys, I stop this video. I stop this video, and I'm gonna see you into the next video. Like I say, do not hesitate to get in touch with me.